Hello and good day everyone. Welcome to today's lessons in Tradingview. We'll be teaching you how to save your charts. But before we continue on, I'd like to quickly just get out of the way our sponsor for today, MEXC. Stay until the end of the video to receive $525 worth of things that you can spend on their website, and also our affiliate FTMO. If you think you're a real trader and you can prove that to them, they'll give you 200k of other people's money to trade with, and you can end up keeping up to 90% of the profits for yourself. Prove that to them, get yourself some earnings. Okay, on to the lesson. So, in TradingView, most of the time you probably will be hopping from chart to chart using different indicators for different reasons. Maybe you just want to try a different strategy, you want to try a different indicator, maybe you just have some different drawings that you've made and you want to keep them there, for example, or just, trying different stuff and not wanting the same old chart combining with others and making a mess. So what you want to do is click onto this little arrow here next to the gear icon and click Save Now. Usually, TradeView will autosave on different time intervals, but when you click Save Now, it will make it as a loadable copy of your chart, which you can load from here, load chart layout. And when you click it, it will open a new window with your chart, with your indicators in that chart, with your drawings and everything. Right now I'm using the free version of TradingView, but if you're using the paid one, you can have multiple charts and load them. But in this version, you can use only one chart, but it's still recommended to save it. So, yep, that's how you save it. I hope this was helpful to you, and see you in the next video.